Hey everyone, have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, your money just disappears? You're not alone. I used to feel the same way, stressed, overwhelmed, and stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. But then I discovered something so simple yet life-changing. 3 jars and the 50-30-20 rule. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your finances and finally take control of your future. Let me tell you about Mia. She was a talented freelance graphic designer who worked incredibly hard, but every month she found herself drowning in bills, unexpected expenses, and zero savings. Sound familiar? Whether it's rent, groceries, or those little indulgences we all love, managing money can feel impossible if you don't have a plan. That's where these 3 jars come in. One day, Mia stumbled upon a wise old man at a farmer's market who introduced her to the 50-30-20 rule. And trust me, it changed everything. Here's how it works. 50% goes into your red jar for needs. This includes essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the things you have to pay for to survive. 30% goes into your blue jar for wants. This is for fun stuff, like dining out, hobbies, or treating yourself to that new gadget. Yes, you deserve to enjoy life. 20% goes into your green jar for savings and goals. This is where the magic happens. It's for building an emergency fund, investing, or saving up for big dreams like starting a business or traveling the world. At first, Mia struggled to stick to the plan. There were days when she wanted to dip into her green jar for impulse buys or splurge more than her blue jar allowed. But over time, she noticed something incredible happening. Her red jar ensured her basics were covered, her blue jar let her enjoy life guilt-free, and her green jar, well, that became her safety net. When her laptop crashed, a disaster for any freelancer, Mia didn't panic. Thanks to her green jar, she had enough saved to replace it without going into debt. That moment changed everything. She realized that saving wasn't just about numbers. It was about freedom, security, and peace of mind. So here's what you can do today. Grab 3 jars, or use digital tools like separate bank accounts to represent your needs, wants, and savings. Divide your income using the 50-30-20 rule. Start small. Even $10 in your green jar adds up over time. Be consistent. It might feel tough at first, but trust the process. Remember, financial freedom isn't built overnight. It's built 1 jar at a time. And if Mia could do it, so can you. If this video helped you understand the 50-30-20 rule, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. Leave a comment below telling me which jar you're most excited to start with. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, whether it's 1 jar or 3, every step you take toward better finances brings you closer to your dreams. Until next time, stay inspired and keep growing.